Hi, welcome to Springer's Adventures. Frank here. So once again, we're going to go on a little adventure here. I found another piece of property. It had a bunch of the cars that had been left there for some time. A gentleman had passed away, and the family is going to get rid of them. So there's some old hot rods. There's some Harleys. There's all kind of stuff on this property. So let's go check it out. All right, so as we start to wander around this field here and check out all these great rides, starting off with is we have a 1966 El Camino Super Sport, big block 396 4-speed car. According to the owner, I guess this was an all-original car. Don't know if it ran or not. Couldn't come to terms on buying this one, unfortunately, like most of the stuff on this property. But it was a really pretty nice car, not in bad shape. I mean, it was going to need a total restoration. I needed floor pans in it, a little bit of rot in the back area and stuff like that. But it was all there, complete, ready to be restored. So I thought that was pretty cool. Let's go on to the next one on this property. So here's another one here, an old Studebaker. Digging the visor on this thing. Another old shoebox. Actually not too shabby. Nothing a little elbow grease couldn't fix up, right? As I said, you never know what you're going to find laying around people's backyards. How about an old Model A? Barn fresh. Actually not too shabby. Just top off the gas. Put a little bit of oil in there. Let's go for a spin. '65 Malibu Super Sport, original SS 396 car. Obviously been sitting for a long time. I do know that this is an original SS car. I've talked to the owner. It's just a quick glimpse of it. And as usual, you never know what you find laying around in your own backyard. Four-speed car. Little rough. So last but not least, it was also on the property was some cargo trailers, enclosed pull home by trailers. This one happened to have a Harley Shovelhead in it, along with some other parts in it. Had a Muncie 4-speed and some wheels and stuff. And I'm thinking it was like an M20, at least from identifications. It cleaned up pretty nice. So as you could tell, this was one of the deals I was able to make. I did bring that trailer home with me, so that was a good thing. And I am going to keep this trailer. We're going to restore it. So stay tuned. Don't forget to check in from time to time. I am going to do a complete restoration on that trailer, and we'll do a little video and see how that comes out as well. So let's show you what was on the inside of the rest of this thing here. So just a little look at the inside here before we tear into this thing. Floor is pretty soft here. Obviously somebody put down a piece of metal. Of course what came along with it was a Muncie 4-speed. Can never pass one of those up. But overall, not too bad shape. So yeah, everything you see in here was in here. So these are just extra bonuses. Pay for the new tires and wheels that need to go on it. Because the ones that were in it were shot. Terrible. And this one also had a side entrance door as well. So we'll freshen that up. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, there's some pretty cool old cars on there. Some old muscle cars, some hot rods, some Harleys. Like I said, just a little bit of everything. Wish I could have swung a deal on some of that stuff. Unfortunately, I couldn't. We just couldn't come to terms between me and the owner on the prices on some of that stuff. I did end up picking up that trailer. I did get a good deal on that one, so we're going to go through and restore it as you've seen in that little sneak peek. So stay tuned for that one. As always, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. And again, we'll catch you out on the road. See ya.